going. Get it to where it's clear. See how it's got bubbles running through it? You add Freon until it's clear. Now, all I've got is 2 cans. So I've got 2 pounds. It calls for 2.9. 2.9 and like 80% less. So this is equivalent to 16 ounces of 134. So if we convert that to R12, we would need 2.9. That's about 2.3 ounces, 2.4, or 2.3 pounds, 2.4. So 2 cans is going to be a little undercharged. I would think this fan could come on. I don't know if it's no good. We'll have to see if we've got power running to it. But I would think that would come on when the AC is on. Maybe it's not doing good. I wonder what we've got going on in here. No, it's starting to feel a little cool. Just a little bit. The cans are about gone. I'll let that work a little bit. We're on our second can. Compressor's starting to get noisy. It may not be any good. It doesn't sound too good. It's cooling, but it doesn't sound good. Still cloudy. Set it up a little bit, it didn't sound as bad. Calm it down a little bit. I don't know. We'll see how it holds up. If it doesn't, all I'm out is 2 cans of Freon. Less than $10. Alright, I'm just waiting for this can. Like I said, that's all I've got. See what it's doing in here. Ooh, that's nice. It's cold. Fix this mess. don't think that compressor is going to last long. Oh, that thing sounds bad. Waiting for this. Alright. Still a little low. Like I said, that's all I've got right now. And so we're gonna leave it. Feed out of the line a little bit when I did it. Check to make sure the spreader valve wasn't leaking here because I put a new one on it. And not leaking, compressor is still working. We'll see how long it holds out. And we are blowing quite cold. I mean, it's not like ice cold, but not bad for you know, just sitting here. And then I don't know if that fan is working. We'll I guess deal with that another day. I'm running out of time today. So we at least have AC for now. Yeah, I mean the engine fan will cool. It may be that once the head pressure gets to a certain point, it may kick this fan on, and with it being a little low on Freon, we may not be able to get the head pressure up that much. I don't know. I'll have to do some reading to see how that system works. I'd almost bet it doesn't run the whole time the AC's on, but maybe it does. So that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and let it down. We've done a lot to it today, and we will I don't know what's next on the list. For now, we're just gonna drive it. So probably we're gonna end up replacing this thing here, this vacuum amplifier. It's leaking, so I've got the transmission hooked up like it would for previous years for 83 or 84, and it just doesn't shift as good as it did when that was working. It did work for a while. It shifted nice and smooth. Now it's got a little bit of a harsh shift on light throttle. So, all right. Thanks for watching.